Parts of a circle. In today's lesson, we will be looking at the different parts of a circle. Okay, so let's start off by drawing a circle. And obviously, this dot here in the middle is the center of your circle. Okay. Then let's have a look at another part of the circle. I've got my center here. And then the line that goes through the center of the circle from one end to the other end of the circle is the diameter. Now, it must go through the center of the circle. If it doesn't go through the center of the circle, then it is not the diameter. Then the next part of the circle, again, I have my center, okay? And then it's from the center to the end of the circle, but not the whole way towards the other end of the circle. That is known as a radius, which is half of the diameter. Okay. Then let's draw another circle. Okay. I have got my center there. Then I've got my diameter, which is there. And then I've got a part here. And this part here, if I shade it in like this, the whole part there, okay, that is known as the sector. And think of it as a pizza slice. Okay. Let's have a look at another part of the circle then. My center's here. I've got a line that's going through one end to the other end of the circle, but remember it's not going through the center, therefore it can't be the diameter. If it's not the diameter, then it's the chord. Okay, then let's have a look at another part of the circle. Got my center here. I've got my chord here, and then obviously, but I want this shaded a bit now. Okay, just quickly shade that in. Okay, and that's known as a segment. And you can think of that as an orange segment. Okay, it looks a little bit like an orange segment. Then this one here, the outside of the circle, so there's my in the center, and I'm interested in this bit here. As you know, the outside of your circle is known as the circumference. Okay. Then if I draw another circle. Okay, there is my center. And I just want this little part. So if it's just a part of the circumference and it's not all of the circumference, that is known as the arc. Okay, then another part of your circle. Okay, got my circle there, my center point there. Let's get my ruler out. And I'm just going to try and draw this if I can, as accurately as I can. There we are. Okay, that is known as the tangent. Now, the tangent is a line that touches a circle at a single point of the circumference. So there, okay, it touches the circumference at that point. That is known as a tangent. Okay, right, let's have a look then at drawing a big circle and trying to put all the parts of the circle on it. Okay, right, there we are, there's my circle. I'm going to just draw some random lines. Okay, and then we're going to have a go at filling this in. And all I'm going to do is just kind of fill that in, and then I want in a different color. I think I'll do it in red. I want to know, actually highlight that. Okay. And then I'll say I also want this little bit here as well. Okay, so let's have a look at having a go. That line there is the radius. That line there goes through the center of the point and through from one end to the other end of the circle. So that's the diameter. That line there does not go through the center of the circle, but it goes from one end to the other end of the circle. So that's known as the chord. Okay. And that's a part of the circumference, a little bit of it. So that's the arc. And then this shaded bit here is the segment. Okay. And then obviously this bit there is the center. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is draw myself a tangent as well, if I can. I should draw it somewhere about here. Try and join it at what touch the circle at one point. So that there is the tangent. Okay. And then we'll also, I'm going to draw another line here. And with a different color highlighter. Okay, I want to know what this bit here is, this blue bit. This bit here is the sector, okay? A little bit like a pizza slice. And there we are, we have the parts of the circle. Thank you for watching.